Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to look at some interesting questions that you may thought of at least once in your life. Here are the questions. Number 1. How do ants know the dead creatures anywhere in the surroundings? How they get the information in just a few minutes? Interesting, right? Question number 2. We often see in movies or in YouTube videos or anywhere else, different countries use different type of flag formats. Why they do so? What is the use of it? What's the reason behind this? Question number 3. Most people around us would like to have an iPhone, and that too the latest version. iPhone improves their users' privacy and protection from hackers by releasing latest models into the market. But do you know what is common feature among all the models of iPhone? You may don't know. Don't skip this video till the end. You may miss the answer for this question anywhere in this video, because I too don't have any clarity about when to tell the answer in this video. Question number 4. Are you a lover of science fiction movies? How much do you like the graphics and VFX they use for the movies? If you ask me the same question, I'll give you the answer like this. How much is the mass occupied by the universe? Is there any answer for this question? Imagine how I love the graphics and VFX in the movies with this answer. My question is, why movie makers use green and blue screens as the background for such a huge graphics and VFX? What does this mean? How they make audience to feel it's realistic? Let's see in this video. To know the answers for these questions, watch this video till the end without any skipping. If you want this type of stuff, reach it directly to your mobile. Take a second and hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, so that you will never miss any update from me. Give me a like, which will be more interesting for me to do even more videos like this. And one more request. If you too have any type of crazy questions in your mind, leave a comment before going out of my video. I'm 100% sure I'll do one video on my audience comments, and your name also will be displayed here, so that further coming audience also will be able to know that who asked this question like that. Be free to comment here on my channel. If you have any more friends just like you interested in this type of questions, please share this video to them. And don't forget to tell them to like, share and subscribe our channel. Okay friends, without any lag, let's go into the topic. Question number 1. How ants can detect the creatures around them? To know the answer for this question, the researchers led by behavior biologist Marcus Kneden and his PhD student Cornelia from Germany's Max Planck Institute for Chemical Ecology spent 2 years tracking the ants all the time. They finally came to an answer that when any creature is dead, it releases a scent of leonic acid. Most other insects like cockroach will avoid this smell. But the ants don't treat these odors as a warning, but they treat it as an invitation. To find out more about the scent-based tracking, the researchers placed dead insects upwind from the ants at different distances. Most of the ants could pick up a scent that was 3.3 meters away, and some of them could detect it as far as 5.9 meters. See how ants are sharp. Question number 2. Why different countries use different type of plagues? To know the answer for this question, we should go back into our history. Until 1870s, the world we are seeing now wasn't like this. All the homes and stores are powered with direct current, nothing but battery power. This was marketed by Thomas Alva Edison. But in the year 1884, new scientists came up with a new invention, that is alternating current, which we are using now in our homes, stores and as and where we want. But in between the years 1870s and 1890s, there was a constant conflict running between the Edison and Tesla. Edison argued that the alternating current is so dangerous to the people. He said that it can kill the humans in just a fraction of seconds. In those days, Edison was a well-known and honored scientist in the world. Keeping these words in mind, cities in America set their AC generator voltage as low as possible, that is 120 volts. They thought it would be less risky with the voltage they had set. But after realizing the effects of alternating current, scientists came to know that it wasn't a way to thinking it's dangerous. After some years later, Britain started building power plants in their country and also in the countries in which they are ruling. They set their generator voltage at power plants as 240 volts. From then onwards, this voltage never changed till today. All the American products are rated up to 120 volts only, and in the same way, all Indian and Britain products are rated up to 240 volts. These devices cannot work properly with considerably low or high voltages. To overcome these problems, Americans use the plugs like this and Indians plugs like this to avoid malfunctioning of the devices due to the difference in voltage. Question number 3. What is common in all iPhone models? If you see all the ads for the iPhone releases, you can observe that all the models when released will show the time as 9:41. Do you know the reason? Simple. When Steve Jobs announced the very first model of iPhone in 2007, the time in the model on the iPhone news articles, news, ads, etc. was showing 9:41. The company became more and more popular with the iPhone, so they treat the time as the lucky time, and they used to go through this time. Not only iPhones, even MacBooks, iPads also use this time. Nothing but it's their lucky time. Question number 4. Why science fiction movies use green and blue screens as their background in shooting? Here is the answer. The editors of high graphics and VFX use a big high quality softwares for editing frames. To add any type of background, they have to remove the present background first. To remove the background, they have an option in their software. If they turn on the option, all the solid color they selected will be removed in just a second. Now they can add any background. You may ask me why they use only green and blue as their background. If you observe correctly, nothing in your body will match to green and blue colors. So only the background will be removed when they turn on their option. Okay friends, that's it for this video. But one second, I have a small request. Do you like reading facts on Instagram? Nice. I recently started an Instagram account. I'll be uploading interesting facts in that platform. Don't think that stuff will be the same as in YouTube. Those facts will blow your mind simply. If you want to follow, the link will be in my video's description, comment section and also in my about section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Have a beautiful day.